In can manufacturing, consistent quality and minimal waste rely on a simple yet effective practice: thorough cleaning of redraw and ironing dies. Can tooling factories primarily use two cleaning methods: diamond compound and aluminum oxide. Diamond compound is a common choice. Applied with a cloth, this paste quickly removes aluminum buildup, getting the die ready for production. Here's the catch: diamond particles are harder than carbide, which wears away the die itself. Diamond alters the die's land geometry, causing rounded transitions and incorrect lengths, resulting in inconsistent can walls and more scrap. An alternative method for cleaning ironing dies involves using aluminum oxide. Cleaning can be performed using an alumina flap wheel mounted on a pneumatic die grinder, or by using a sheet of alumina sandpaper for manual cleaning. Cleaning performed by alumina removes aluminum buildup without altering die geometry, ensuring consistent product quality, extending tool lifespan, and offering a safer, more cost-effective solution. Regular cleaning and maintenance of dies are essential for extending tool life and ensuring high can quality. With decades of expertise in producing and maintaining ironing dies, Hyperion is your go-to partner for can tooling maintenance. Contact us today.